Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I'm Siti Sofia binti Othman, and with my friend Porosida Hashim. We are from SMK Bukit Tunggal. Okay, so for today we are going to be presenting on our project on the classroom teaching practice entitled Encouraging Student Participation in Classroom Assessment by incorporating the STEM into geography using the 5E model. KSSM Geography aims to produce geographically informed students who can interact with the environments towards sustainability and well-being. Therefore, production of creative and innovative work must be exemplified positively towards the environment. It is the main element that need to be applied to students. Okay, next we're going to look at what is the problem that make us choose to do this project. Okay, first we can see that students are unmotivated to produce any creative project they can do in order to improve their PBD achievement. Second, students are only able to achieve TP3 and TP4 in their classroom assessment. Lastly, students do not have a clear guideline on how to complete their problem-based learning project. We have two main objectives that we want to achieve from this project. First is we want to improve the teaching practice from teacher-based learning to student-based learning. And second, we want to improve student achievement by integrating the STEM approach in the learning process. The focus group of this project is 28 students from 3Al Amin from SMK Bukit Tunggal. Okay, so our early observation, only one student managed to achieve band 5, 19 students achieve band 4, and we have 8 students in band 3. Okay, so the methodology that we choose for this project is the 5E models. Okay, so what is 5E model and why we choose 5E model? Okay, 5E model of instruction is based on the constructivism learning approach. This model stated that students would construct new idea based on their prior knowledge. And also, this model will help students to enhance their higher thinking order in the learning process. Okay, 5E model will encourage students to involve more than just reading and listening. Students will participate actively in the learning process. Okay, so there are 5 steps in this 5E model. Okay, students will involve in engagement, exploration, explanation, elaboration, and also evaluation. So students will learn to ask questions, to observe, to model, to analyze, to explain, and even draw conclusion. Also, they need to talk about their own understanding, especially during the explanation and also elaboration. In this task, teacher wants students to be able to elaborate the economic activities in their local community. So for this project, okay, in the engagement phase, okay, teacher will start the lesson by showing the student a video about occupation. Okay, and then teacher will try to relate the video with the economic activities. So here, teacher will be the presenter. Okay, we'll try to present the situation and also help students to engage the information with the topic and also with the local situation. Teacher will help students to identify what is the problem that they need to find out from this topic. Okay, teacher also will set the rules and give them instruction on how the project will be conducted. The next phase, which is exploration. Okay, here teacher will divide the student into groups. Okay, the group are divided according to their locality. Okay, so that they can have the same background. Okay, and then in this discussion, student will try to find information from the internet, interview their family members, and also try to find the information from their textbook. Okay, based on all the information that they gather, okay, they need to sort all the information into a presentable form like a chart or maybe a graph. Okay, that they will use in the next phase. Okay, and then we move on to explanation. Okay, in this phase, okay, student will present all the information. Okay, one of the representative will come forward and will present the result of their discussion and research. Okay, so this activity will be conducted through Google Meet. Okay, and then teachers and other students can ask them question. Okay, after that, we will move to the elaboration phase. Okay, in this elaboration phase, the activity will be conducted individually. Okay, student will use all the information that they have from the previous phase to produce a creative work. Okay, in this task, we ask students to come up with a video, with a creative video, where they need to present their answer on which economic activities that they think have a potential to be further developed. As for the evaluation, okay, in 5E model, we are taught to assess student in every phase. Formative evaluation were conducted throughout this project. For example, formative assessment. Okay, teacher give student feedback after their presentation. We ask for the peer evaluation. Okay, and one thing about formative assessment is that teacher will be able to see student progress and what their current understanding. Okay, this allow a teacher to fill in the gap, okay, between the student knowledge and also what we are trying to achieve in this lesson. At the end of this project, we conduct a summative evaluation. Okay, summative evaluation is very important because it will be the evidence of student knowledge and also their proficiency for the topic. Based on this project, okay, we can see 5E model of instruction actually help to apply the 6C skill, okay, to student when they conduct the project. Okay, we can see that this 5E model helps students to build their critical thinking. We teach them how to collaborate with their friends, and then creativity, also communication skill, and also, of course, the character development. Okay, we try to give them a sense of leadership, okay, and also citizenship. We want them to appreciate their locality, and we want this student to have a sense of responsibility that one day they will try to contribute back to the society. Throughout this project, we can see that it has a very positive impact. Previously, there are no students that achieve band 6, but after we conduct this project, we have 16 students who achieve band 6, and then we have 10 students who are in band 5 and 2 students in band 4. Previously, we have band 3, but now there is no more band 3. After using this 5E model, you also can see student improvement in their confidence level. Okay, one of the evidence is that this student able to join a video competition for Hari Konservasi Ekosistem Peringkat Kebangsaan tahun for 2021. Okay, using the same model of instruction, this 5E model, okay, they able to produce a video for competition. So we can see that it give a very positive impact to the student achievement. We also receive a positive feedback from student. Okay, so throughout conducting this project, and after we conduct the project and we see the result, we think that we will continue to use this 5E model in the next lesson. Okay, so I think that we can achieve a better result by using this 5E model. So thank you.